We just got done watching the movie Source Code, PG-13, from 2011. It is a 1 hour and 33-minute long movie. It says a soldier wakes up in the body of an unknown man and discovers he's part of a mission to find the bomber of a Chicago commuter train. I thought this actually was done pretty good. As far as like suspenseful, the speed of the movie seemed to keep the same pace throughout. There weren't any like moments where it felt like it really slowed way down. It had good performers in it. Yeah, it's definitely very action-packed and very suspenseful.
Yeah, I'm surprised it slipped through and I've never seen it back in 2011 or any time after. But yeah, it was a nice little fun, little action drama movie.
Yeah, it was pretty good. I'll see if I can find it online. If I can't, I will link it below. If you've seen Source Code from 2011, let me know what you thought of it. I do feel like there were a few things in the movie that felt like there were some gaps in the story.
Yeah.
And a few holes in where they were leading the audience to try to get.
Yeah, but we can't talk about those either.
Yeah, I can't do any spoilers, but
so,
I feel like that
there's some questions.
They left some stuff that was just like, does that actually make sense? I don't.
And if it does, then
explain this, explain that, you know, that kind of thing.
Yeah, we need a sequel to explain what our questions are.
For one time around, I'd say Source Code is pretty decent. Now I would watch a second movie of it for sure.
Yeah, and it was well worth the first watch.
I doubt they will after this much time has gone by.
No,
but
it's not that great of a movie.
But that's okay. Thanks so much for watching this, and we'll see you in the next review.